Hello everybody, my name's Steve Conlon and I'm the owner of Auto Collision and Repair in Georgetown, Delaware. Today, reaching out to everybody just to wish them a very happy and safe Memorial Weekend, and to thank all the men and women in the armed forces that put their lives on the line every day, and those in the past that have given our lives for the freedom that we enjoy today. The American flag is a symbol of our freedom. It's a symbol of our country and what we stand for. And also the American eagle, another symbol of American freedom. And we should all be thankful for all the men and women in the armed forces that put their lives on the line every day. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. God bless, and God bless America. Thank you.